is Linda, and this is how my life was for 2 years before I met Dee. I injured my leg in a karate accident, and I had been seeing doctors for 2 years. Had many tests, many MRIs, saw 4 different physical therapists, and nobody could help me. I was starting to get sore muscles in my arms, in my shoulders, and my back. I started seeing massage therapy to try to get some relief. But then somebody told me about Dee, and I don't care what it took. I was going to get in to see Dee.
Hi Linda, welcome to Integrated Physical Therapy. I'm Dee Osborough.
Hi.
Would you mind coming back so we can begin your evaluation today? Linda, tell me how you injured your ankle and leg this last year, or 2 years
about
ago.
2 years ago, I was in my karate class, and I was doing a tornado kick, which you spin and kick at the same time, and I just rolled my ankle. I landed wrong on my ankle and I rolled it. And I've been a different physical therapist. The first one I saw said, don't come back until you're off crutches. The second one I saw, I started working on weights, and I injured my knee. So now it's like my knee is hurting the worst. I try to work on my ankle, and then the knee hurts the worst, and the physical therapists don't know what they can do for me.
Do you have pain more than these 2 areas? Is this...
It's actually up into my hip now, and I've been seeing massage therapists for my shoulders and my neck. Everything's getting so stiff and sore from using those crutches for 2 years.
Well, I always like to evaluate and look thoroughly at all of the findings. So what I want to do is take and break apart every part of the dysfunction, so to speak, building blocks, and help put you back together and help all of your tissues and joints move correctly, find the root causes of your problems so that we can get everything moving correct, all the mobility back, and then build strength and foundation and core, and then full function back to your normal self.
What really made the difference for me with working with Dee was she gave me so many different exercises to work on that worked my entire body. The other physical therapists only gave me like 2 or 3 exercises, and then they didn't work, and they tried to find something different for me. But Dee always had a whole list of things for me to work on. And she never gave up on me. She encouraged me even through the hardest exercises. I didn't think I could do it, and she encouraged me and kept me going. She also gave me this manual therapy that the other physical therapists never did. And I think that made a huge difference as well. And also it's just the time and commitment that she spent with me. She wanted to work with me, and she wanted me to be better. And I think that confidence rubbed off on me and made me think that I could do it.
Linda's diagnosis was complex regional pain syndrome, and it was more than just an ankle sprain. Linda and I sat down and we agreed that to help her get back to her normal life, we would need to work together as a team. The best part of my profession is helping people transform their lives. I like the before compared to the after. With a comprehensive approach of patient-specific manual therapy and exercises targeted to best help Linda, together we were able to meet all of her goals.
Thanks to Dee, I don't need those crutches anymore. 2 years on those were too long. Dee helps you no matter what your problem is. She works with your whole body, your mind, and she works the manual therapy too that other physical therapists don't have the time to do for you. So if you're having problems, or even if you just have any type of physical therapy issue, go see Dee at Integrated Physical Therapy. She's the only one that I will use from now on. I refer to all my friends because she's the best.